if you are an experienced, seasoned salon owner, holistic practitioner, wellness practitioner, you've been in business a while. You've been doing this over 10, 15, 20 years, and now you're ready for the next phase of your life and business, and you want freedom. You want to be able to work from anywhere. You want to be able to service people from, if you go to the Bahamas, if you have a home in Portugal, or like myself, I have a home in Italy. So I like to be able to take my business where I go and not be chained to the brick and mortar anymore. Also, if your body's starting to break down, listen, when you are a service-based business owner and you're a service provider, meaning you're a hairdresser, you're a chiropractor, you're a holistic practitioner, you're physically working with clients, it gets exhausting after many years. So if you've been thinking about that next step of becoming an online educator, launching a coaching consulting business, and getting your freedom back so you can step into the next phase of your reinvention in your life and in your business, I have an invitation for you. It's time to learn how to do this. And I'm pulling the curtain back and I'm sharing exactly how I did it. A 30+ year salon owner and hairdresser launched my coaching consulting business. The link is above below. Join us, the Exit Strategy Formula Workshop.